Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to install Material UI library. After that, we will create a navbar for not logged in users. So let's get started. So as you can see, a React Vite application. First of all, let me open here main.jsx file. From this file, I'm going to remove this import that we have index.css. After removing the import, let me open here the docs for Material UI. Let's click on get started. Go to the installation page. Let me copy this command and I'm going to run this command inside our Vite React project. So let me open here the terminal. Let me paste here the command. As you can see, Material UI library installed successfully. Now after that, let me get the command to install the Material UI icons. So as you can see, the sections for icons. Let me copy this command. Let me run here inside our project. As you can see, Material UI icons installed successfully. Now after that, let me open here header component. Now inside the return statement, I'm going to remove this h1 tag. Inside this React fragment, I'm going to add the HTML code to create a navbar for not logged in users. So first we have the tag for box. Let me import this from Material UI. Inside the box, we have a tag for app bar. Let me import this. Inside the app bar, we have the tag for toolbar. Let me import this from Material UI. Inside the toolbar, we have the tag for icon button. Let me import this. Inside the icon button, we have the tag for menu icon. After the icon button, we have the tag for typography, where we have a caption, polling app. As you can see, let me import the typography tag from Material UI. Now after the typography tag, we have the tag for button. First we have the button login. Second we have sign up. So as you can see, the first button that for login, second button that for register. Actually these are the nav links. Let me import the link from React Router DOM. After that I'm going to import here a button from Material UI. Now as you can see, the property that we have two, where we have a value slash login, that we have the path of login component. Second, we have the button for register. For this component, we have the path that we have slash register. You can cross check the path in app.jsx. As you can see, slash register for sign up, slash login for login component. On the top, let me add the import of menu icon. So as you can see, the import of menu icon. Now you can take a look of header component. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, a navbar for not logged in users, where on the left side we have the menu icon with the navbar title polling app. On the right side, we have the two nav links. First we have login, second we have register. On the click of these nav links, it's navigating us to the sign up and the login pages. Let's remove the white space around the nav bar. So let me open here index.html. On the body tag, let me add here the property that we have style, where we have a padding 0 pixels. Second, that we have margin 0 pixels. Let's go back to the browser. As you can see, the white space removed successfully. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.